Hollis from Hollis Society Lab, and in today's video, I'm going to be trying to fix this IC card. Recently, I've noticed that it's not been working quite so well. It's just kind of like when you press this, it starts and it just stops pretty quickly and stuff. So I'm going to go drive it around quickly and just show you what it's doing, and then I'm going to take it apart and try and fix it. And then once I fixed it, I'll drive it around again and show you how much better it is. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll go drive it quickly. I'll be right back. So, as you just saw, I just drove it around a little bit, and you can see I was pushing the trigger down all the way, just pushing, and it just kept on stopping. So, I'm just going to do a quick time lapse now. I fixed it. And also, I've started using music in my videos, so I hope you like the music. Just if not, you could leave a comment down below, and I can use different music, so enjoy the time of me fixing it. So as you can see, I just took it apart, and I soldered on a new plug because the old one I think may have been breaking a little bit. Then I made this modem out a little bit stronger, just in case that's a bit. So I think I fixed everything that could possibly be wrong with it. So now all I need to do is go test it. So I'll go drive around and show you how it drove. So enjoy, and I'll be right back after it's done. So as you just saw, I just drove the chassis car around again, and now it drives great since I fixed it. So I also just wanted to tell you that I started in the second channel called Hollis Makes. I'll have that linked in the description if you want to check it out. It's a channel where I just make other stuff besides RC stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's all for this video. Bye.